Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lucem. I am Frank. Back in 1999, engineers and designers at Leatherman proved that they were able to solve the most challenging question they ever met: how to make the frenchiest multitool in the universe. The answer was the Leatherman Flair. Of course, it is a Leatherman multitool, so it has everything you're waiting from it: pliers, wire cutter, cable cutter, combo blade, scissors, 8 inches ruler, can opener, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, big flat screwdriver, medium flat screwdriver, and small flat screwdriver. But it was lacking un je ne sais quoi, something more French. Maybe the French accent? So they added the most essential tools: a spreader for your pâté, a cocktail fork, useful for eating your canapé, respecting the etiquette, and a corkscrew with lever, essential to open your Cabernet d'Anjou. Et voilà, the Frenchiest multitool ever made by Leatherman. It was not a big commercial success. It has been produced from 1999 to 2004. There has been other trials of adding a corkscrew to some tools, from the Juice series, the XC6 or the Juice Pro, but they stopped adding spreader and cocktail forks to their tools. This is why the Flair is so highly desirable and collectible. The only American-made tool with that touch of refinement. That's all for now. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. It's important for the channel. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lucem. Bye!